When we ordered the Valuekeep system, it was very easy to set up. I supplied Valuekeep with a spreadsheet of all the assets and the locations and the maintenance procedures, and they automatically uploaded that into the system. So whenever we went live, everything was there, and it was very quick and effective to get set up and running. Yeah, we moved to Valuekeep from a different computer maintenance management system, as we found the Valuekeep system much easier to use and a much better structure that suited the way we wanted to work here at Ulster Rugby. The Valuekeep system allows us to track and maintain 250 mechanical and electrical assets around the stadium, and also to manage the 285 different locations that we have in the ground. In the last year we've been able to complete 450 work orders against 86 different maintenance procedures. The system allows us to very efficiently manage corrective and planned maintenance procedures. With the app on the phones, we can raise work orders as we go around the ground and assign them to different technicians to carry out. We have some very critical life safety systems in the stadium, because on a match night we have 18,000 people here, and we have to protect those and meet very high safety standards, and as part of that we have to maintain the stadium to very high safety standards in terms of the fire alarm system and the audio system and the voice activated PA system. All those fire life safety systems have to be tracked and maintained, and the system allows us to do that and to keep the records so that we can show to the various authorities that come to check and give us our certification each year. We're audited by Belfast City Council, who award our stadium safety certificate each year, and part of that is the checking of the maintenance procedures that are carried out here.